Right, good afternoon, year two. Bit more of a relaxed afternoon. We have times tables first and then art, neither of which have assignments on Teams or any quiz to do on Teams. This is all just to do pen and paper in your own time, and then you can email it into year2@thepoweracademy.com. So we're going to start with this video on times tables, okay? So we're just going to practice some questions. We're going to first look at timesing and then dividing. Okay, there's three different methods that we've been looking at: drawing the groups and then doing the dots for the groups. Just counting in those steps. So if it's times 5, just counting in our 5s. If it's times 10, counting in our 10s. And then using a number line, so doing the jumps along the number line. All right, so for each question, it's not enough just to know the answer. You need to be able to see which of those methods you are using, whether it's the groups, whether you're just counting up 10, 20, 30, or if you have used a number line. Okay, so here are your first set of questions. These are all multiplication. These are all times. Okay, remember, it does not matter where the equal signs is, whether it's before or after the question. It's still the same question. This is still 2 times 1. Okay, don't worry about the way it's laying out. That's just for boxes to go either side. You don't have to do boxes or anything. You've basically got 8 times table questions for you to do, all focusing on the 2 times table. All right, so pause the video, have a go. Okay, so we should have got 3 times 2 is 6. Again, doesn't matter what method you used, whether you counted in your 2s, whether you did 3 groups, put 2 dots in each and counted it up, or if you used a timeline and did 3 jumps of 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 8 is 16. 4 times 2 is 8. 2 times 10 is 20. 2 times 4 is 8. 9 times 2 is 18. And 11 times 2 is 22. So well done if you got those. If any of them you didn't get quite right, just try with a different method or just redo your method and double check your counting to see if you can get the right answer. All right, so that is our timesing questions. Now on to divide. I'll move myself out of the way so you can see that question. Again, we're still just focusing on 2 today. Got 8 questions. You know what to do, pause the video. Check with, use whatever method you want, whether that's counting in your 2s to get to the number and then seeing how many fingers you used, or doing 2 groups and showing the dots between it. Off you go. Right, 12 divided by 2. When shared into 2 groups, you get 1 group with 6. 8 divided by 2, you get 4. 20 divided by 2, you get 10. 6 divided by 2, you get 3. 24 divided by 2, you get 12. I like my wild 2s every now and then. 14 divided by 2, you get 7. 4 divided by 2, you get 2. And then 10 divided by 2, and you end up with 5. Okay, so lots of practice of those division methods and those timesing methods. Remember, it's not enough to see the answer. I need to see your method. Okay, I've only put in the answers because you don't need to see me do the method. I need to see you do the method. Okay, and that's it. That's it for timetables this afternoon. All right, few questions. Okay, now you can take a little break. You can keep practicing your timesing and dividing if you like, but take a little break before you move on to art. All right, thanks everyone. Bye.